Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you are new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will get notified. So in this particular video, I just want to walk you through how to get Canva Pro in Africa. Whether you are in Nigeria, you are in Kenya, Uganda, South Africa, Ghana, and other any Africa continent, and you are trying your possible best to get a Canva Pro. In this video, I will be walking you through how to be able to get that, even if you are just a new designer or you just want to start your career as a designer using Canva website. So what I just want to walk you through first is the Canva plans and pricing section, which is also much important to look into where you are trying to get Canva Pro in your country. And don't forget that if you are running a Canva free account, you will be limited to some certain features inside Canva account. So as also uh you might be interested in getting some features inside your Canva account when you want to remove some background from pictures, but with the free account, you may not be able to do that. So there are different section of Canva features where we have Canva free, we have Canva Pro, we have Canva team, and also we have Canva education, and we have section for not for profit, which is non-profit features. So for the Canva Pro, you can see for individuals wanting unlimited access to premium content and tools, you can go for Canva Pro. And if you have a team and you want to get a Canva Pro, so you can see for team of all size wanting to create together with premium workspace and brand tools, you can go for team. And for educational purpose, a powerful free tools for classroom district and students. So on this particular one, I guess it's actually free, but there are some features you have to meet up to in order to be able to get this. For the non-profit, you can see Canva Pro is free for all registered non-profit. So you can apply today and you might get rejected. Not everyone is actually accepted. So but here we'll be looking out for the Canva Pro and the Canva team, since all these ones are free, but then you have to meet up with the requirement before you can be able to get it. So for the Canva Pro, I'm gonna walk you through that, and for the Canva team, and let's check on the Canva Pro. So for the Canva Pro, once you click on this, you can see the price. So in Nigeria, it's gonna cost you 2,800 for individual, which is per person, and for the yearly plan, you're gonna be paying 23,900. And in USD, this is about $40 or $30 to $40, I mean. So if you are in if it's USD, so you're gonna be paying 30 to $40. But then you can check in your country, so the price might actually be different. But most importantly, before you skip this video, the most important part is that at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to almost get this at a lower price. So you can see for individuals, solopreneur and freelancer designer, you might just want to get this one for yourself. If you are an individual who want to get Canva Pro, so you can see how much this cost to get it. So I think spending around 24,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, this is not too much for exactly what you need. That is a year plan, and I guess you will definitely enjoy it. And if you are going for the monthly plan, you're gonna be paying 2,800. This is also not bad, but if you have to calculate it on a monthly base, let's say you are paying 2,800 naira multiplied by 12, it will be even more than 23,900. So if you're an individual, you might just want to go for this, and then that is it. But if you are a pro designer, a team, and you want to get a team plan, So like you have different people who would like to work with you and you want to see or access their designs. So the Canva for team will be the best option for you. You can see scale content production for video, presentation, social media, and many more, all while staying on brand. You can see this is actually amazing. And for the team plan, you will see how to go about it. So let me walk you through the features and the pricing. So design for teams of all sizes. You can see small, medium, and large. So it does depend on the kind of team you are managing, maybe from 10 to 5. You can see if you're a team of 1 to 5, you can see how much you'll be paying. If you're a team of 10, 25, and 50 team, you're gonna see how much you'll be paying. And for the yearly plan, you will see the cost, which is 1.2 million for 50 people to join your team. And for the monthly, you're gonna be paying 126,000 naira to be able to join the Canva team of 50 people. So now it depends on how you want to get started with this. And of course, there is a free trial, which of course you can try the Canva team for 30 days. And once you are done with that, the 30 days will expire and then uh you will have to pay for the monthly plan, or if you want to go for a yearly plan. So it all depends on which plan you actually want, and every Canva Pro design actually worth it. So I'm going to show you my own Canva Pro account. So I have access to the Pro plan, and that is exactly what I also want you to look into. So if you want to get a Canva Pro for a lower price, I will suggest you to click on the link or the first link in the description of this video, so you can get a Canva Pro for as low as $3. And if you're in Nigeria, you can get this at 1,995 naira. So I'll advise you to join today because this price might go up to 5,000 naira as it was stated in this particular um, uh, product. So I'll advise you to jump on it as fast as possible so you be able to get access to the Canva Pro plan. And if you have any question regarding Canva Pro account, you can let me know through the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to be able to provide an answer to that. So you can also see the main price is around $5 thereabout. So once you jump on this as fast as possible, you can get it lesser. So if you have any question, let me know through the comment section, and I'll be able to provide an help to that. Thank you.